Imagine a world not so far from now. A world where technology has completely transformed the way we live and work. Everywhere you look, artificial intelligence is present, not replacing humans, but working alongside them. In hospitals, doctors use advanced machines and intelligence systems to diagnose and save lives faster than ever before. In factories, robots build, create, and operate with incredible precision, changing the meaning of hard work. Even in classrooms, learning is no longer limited to books. Students interact with digital systems, exploring knowledge in ways we once only imagined. But as this new world grows, one important question remains. Who will succeed in the future? Will it be those who fear technology or those who choose to understand it? The answer is simple. The future belongs to the people who learn, who adapt, and who are brave enough to create something new. Because technology is just a tool, and the real power is in the hands of those who know how to use it. So don't just watch the future happen. Be part of it, shape it, create it, because the future isn't coming. It's already here, and it belongs to us.